Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sonic Adventure on PC. First, confirm your computer meets the minimum specifications, which typically include a 3.0 GHz Intel Pentium 4 processor, 2 GB of RAM, and 1.8 GB of hard drive space. Next, acquire Sonic Adventure DX from a digital platform like Steam. Once purchased, simply install the game through the platform's client, which usually takes only a few minutes to complete. To truly enhance your Sonic Adventure experience, mods are essential. Begin by downloading and installing the SAGS Mod Loader, which acts as your central hub for managing all modifications. If you're playing the Steam version, consider Better SAGS, a comprehensive package that includes numerous fixes and quality-of-life improvements. A must-have is the Dreamcast Conversion Mod, which restores the game's original vibrant graphics and lighting, making it look much closer to its initial release. Beyond the core conversion, several specific mods can further refine your gameplay. Implement texture and lighting mods to make environments and characters appear sharper and more detailed. An input mod is highly recommended for modern controllers, as it fixes dead zones and improves overall responsiveness. Additionally, explore sound overhaul mods to replace lower-quality sound effects with their original, higher-fidelity Dreamcast counterparts, restoring missing audio elements for a more authentic experience. Finally, let's cover some troubleshooting and optimization tips. Always ensure your graphics drivers are up to date for the best performance and stability. Use the Mod Manager to configure display settings, such as enabling custom resolutions for widescreen play and activating VSync to prevent screen tearing. If you experience crashes or unusual glitches, verify the integrity of your game files through your digital platform. Experiment with mod settings to find your perfect balance for an enjoyable adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.